Hi there. Thank you so much for watching Edgesmart. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a platform where you can earn money just by uploading pictures. There is nothing difficult in this, and the most important thing is they don't require any qualifications for this. It's simple online task and it doesn't require even a dedicated time for this. So when let us say if you have went for a picnic or for a tour, you can take a picture there and just upload it instead of uploading it on Facebook or Instagram somewhere, etc. You can instead upload here and get paid for that. It's that simple. So if you like this, let us walk through the next 10 minutes to earn money just like me. Let's get started. By the way, if you are looking into any of this data, you can check my other videos because I make such interesting videos on various topics like scholarship, internship, and whatnot. So you must check it out. So you can see this. I'll provide the link for this page in the description box. Just click on it. You will be redirected onto this page. Now you can see this sign up button on right hand side of this screen, right? Click on this sign up if you are new here. So when you are uploading pictures, uh, do take care that you are uploading pictures of your own. You should not upload pictures of someone else, like because they have copyrights for their images. So you are not uh, you're restricted from using some others pictures. Only upload pictures of your own. Okay, like if you have clicked out on your own by your camera, etc., then it's your own. So you have all the rights for that. So you just need to upload that picture. It's that simple. Now let me talk about how to do that. For that you need to have an account. Click this full name. You can see this. Fill in your details here. Let me show you how to fill these details. uh, So you can see this email asking me to verify my account. So please click here to verify your email. So this will ensure an account with me. So my email has been verified. So I can continue now. Now let me show you about this. So what kind of people do generally upload here pics? Okay, people from different backgrounds do generally upload. Let me say you. Uh, Let us say that you are an artist. Like if you have paintings, like if you do paintings, you can upload your paintings here. You can upload your own pictures because if you are looking very good, you can say like handsome men or handsome sorry beautiful women and upload your own pictures. So that is how you are uploading pictures here and earning. Now let me tell you about this. Now you can see this country, address, address line to city, zip, postal, state, phone number. Just fill in this like address, house number, etc. So something like this. You can see all in your details. If you wanted to say something like this, uh, and that's all. Next, click on sign. Next, let me show fill in my original details now.
So you will see upload images and go to your dashboard. So images is the place where you upload the images. Now click on go to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard where you will see your earnings, who is downloading your pictures and all. So the profile strength is 5% now. Now let us increase the strength by going to the personalize my portfolio. So here you will see your portfolio. It means simple, it's like a profile. Now fill in all the details because it looks more professional. So coming to why Shutterstock provide you money for uploading pictures. Most of the creators these days need images. So they go to a website like Google and they'll search for images. So it's not free to use pictures under Shutterstock because we are working on it and we are providing images, right? So they need to pay us for downloading the images. So once they download the images and use for their commercial purpose, we will be paid. So that's how Shutterstock will share the revenue with us. Now fill in your details to make it more professional.
So you can see
And
this. You need to
you
fill
can
in
see
all your
this.
details. So it's not necessary, but to impress others, you need to fill in these details.
So you can fill all the details, like now it's nature or something, fashion, food, aerial, etc. There are a lot of drop down box available. You can fill in the details like you want. Tagline is something like a description of your video, of your content. Here not just pictures, you can also upload videos here. Even that is possible under Shutterstock. You can choose your equipment, like what cam do you use, etc. So it looks great. Whether you use that cam or not, you can mention it because they're not going to check it physically, right? So the location is India. If you're in Indian, you can locate as Indian. So this is the basic details that are applicable over your portfolio. Now the website, if you have any blog, you can fill in your blog details, or you can also use your social media links like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. All these details, and click biography, it makes good. And that's about it. uh, you can see all the detail. So this is how your profile strength has become 25% now. So it's good to fill the details. If you're not interested, you cannot. Now under upload section, we are going to upload the images. You can select your pictures and upload here. You can use multiple pictures and upload them. Now let me show you a demo with my own picture. You can also upload your own pictures, or if you look great, good, and etc. As of now, I'm showing a nature image. Now you can say this a baby with a cow with her baby, right? Now I'm going to upload this image. Now it has been processing here. So once the processing has been completed, this image will be uploaded. So just like on YouTube, whenever you are uploading a thing, you need to fill in the details of that item. Let us say the title, we call here description. And you also need to provide some keywords about that image, so that whenever someone search for an image, it looks more like your result will be on the top of the page. So there will be high chances to download your image. So let us see this. Now the processing has been done. We can click the next button. Now you will see options to uh, fill the details about this. Now you see to submit. uh, Now click this, just close this. You can add details now. Now click on this image to add the details about this. The description, image type, usage, these are already filled in details. Now what you need to do is you need to write a description about the image. You need to fill the category one. What category does it belong to? Now this is an animal, right? You can fill as animal. And there is optional category too, you need not write it. Location is again optional because the basic location we gave is India. If you take a picture of a particular location, you can provide that location there. Now you need to add some keywords. Now there are basically some different keywords are already available. You can just select them, it will be added. So if you provide more number of keywords, your image will be in more number of results. So there will be high chances to download your image. So whenever they download, they will pay to the Shutterstock, and the Shutterstock will share the revenue with you. So that's a simple process here. Uh, Once you are done with this, you need to click the submit button below it. Okay, you can see this submit button. Now there is an error. If you see, it is saying so you need to select if you have multiple images. If not, not necessary. Now you also need to fill, when you see the description, we have only provided one word, but the thing is we need to provide at least 5 words about an image. So now let us say animal feeding a baby, or animal with a baby feeding, something like that. So it must be 5 words in a description. If the description is very good, people do general search with 1 or 2 words. This may match, right? So there are high chances to get your image and the results. So that's how simple. And click on submit button now. Now this image has been submitted successfully. Now you can see this image has been submitted. Now what does the Shutterstock do is, within next week or 10 days or 5 days, Shutterstock will review your image. If that image is perfect, that means is that image okay to be on the website, they will approve the image. If not, they may disapprove. Like if you use the copyrighted content or some other images, some logos, etc. of some other companies, yours will be declined. So you only need to provide some pictures of your own which has been taken by your own camera. That is your own picture. You can post many kind of pictures. There is nothing like a restriction of images. Like you can post yourself, like images of your own. Okay, if you look good, I can say handsome man, beautiful woman, like that. So if you have a review channel or something like that, if you have any products with you can showcase that products. Let us say you have brought an image from Flipkart, something like a device has been purchased by you. You can take a picture of that image and post it. If that image is very new product, there will be less images and people will definitely buy your own. So that's how, if you went for a picnic, you can use those pictures and upload it. This is a very simple job. Coming to the payment details, you will get payments by you can see this under earnings. Under earnings section, you can see your payment. So you need to provide your PayPal email ID. So PayPal address, so whatever the email address is associated with your PayPal, provide that email address here. You can see here under your profile, you will be able to see it. So coming to the payment details, this will be varying for people. Like so if you say upload about 120 pictures, you'll likely to get $100, which is about 7,000 to 8,000 Indian rupees, like that. So the minimum amount to be taken, like how much you can draw, is $35. So that is the minimum payout. You need to fill in your email address with address associated with the payout. So that is about money drawing and all. It's that simple. So you can also change the minimum payout to be greater than 35, but the minimum is 35 itself. So that's all about this. You can use this platform to earn money. You need not have a dedicated time slot for this. You need not be a professional for this. You don't have any qualifications. There is no deadline, something like that. Every month you will be able to draw your amount. Say if you have completed this, on every month they will be giving you a date. On that day you can go down. So thank you for watching this video.